Hello everyone, this is Dillon from WeTheCoasters. It is a very sunny and beautiful day here at SeaWorld Orlando. First time we're actually here this year, and I'm joined by a couple friends. Joining back, Michael and Seth. Joining in, Joseph.
Hi.
What's going on? So, we're here at SeaWorld. We're gonna be here for some time and ride some rides. And for, I know, a certain someone here on the very end, Seth, you're getting ready to do Mako for the first time.
I'm getting ready to do a comparison of that to Candemonium since they're both B&Ms.
Yeah. And it's also your first time here.
Yep.
And I think, Michael, this is your first time here in a long time, hasn't it been?
Since, oh Lord, I want to say prior to 2007.
Wow. So it's definitely before Manta.
You act like I'm getting on any of these.
Well, I'm saying like when it came out and, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When last time I was here, I think it was only Kraken and Journey to Atlantis.
Oh man, that's ancient. That's old school stuff.
Which it's not running.
Yeah, unfortunately, Journey to Atlantis was not open, which, yeah, unfortunately. So we're gonna start off to the right side. Oh man, so we're gonna head over to Mako. All right, here we are. We're approaching Mako, that purple track that's right over here. And then to my left, the shark counter. Now, Michael and Joseph, not gonna be riding. We check out the shark counter. Me and Seth, we're doing Mako.
Do it.
So you guys have fun checking out the sharks in reference to Jaws 3. And then, of course, me and Seth are going to enjoy the ride. So we'll see you on Mako. All right, here we go. First ride ever for Seth on Mako. So, I know you'll kind of hear us, but obviously we're doing a 7-row, and then Kraken is kind of behind us going off in the background.
Yep.
So it's kind of cool. We're going up in lift hill, and you can hear Kraken going.
Kraken.
But obviously what's cool is you can see here, I can bring this on the ride and you can see Seth's reaction.
Yeah.
But are you ready, Seth?
Oh, yeah.
All right, here we go.
Let's go.
Here we go. Graceful glide here. And glide into the brakes.
I agree with you. Better than Candemonium.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
See that? You heard it, folks.
Yep.
Big fan. All right, so we are exiting Mako. Now I know we did back row, and I know, Lynn, you like this ride a lot. Seth, your first time on
Very
it.
good. Very good. I'm with him. I was asking him what his opinion was. I do like this better than Candemonium. It's super close though. This one edges it out. It feels, the ride on this is longer. I don't know if it actually is, but it feels like this is longer than
maybe a little bit on the longer, I could be wrong. But obviously the major difference, this is 7 rows versus Candemonium with 8. So there is a bit of a difference there, but it runs great though.
It does. Very smooth.
Very. This is from 2016, which hard to believe. It's actually, not 8, close to 10, like probably 9. So
yeah,
scary.
Yeah,
that is scary. But man, this ride's been great. But yeah, we're gonna head over to our next attraction once we meet up with Michael and Joe. Alrighty, so we are a couple trains away from doing Penguin Trek, which is the new coaster here at SeaWorld Orlando. We are doing rows 2 and 3. So Lynn, you're ready?
Yeah.
Seth, Joseph, you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Oh yeah. Well, let's ride. We'll see how it goes. Here we go. Oh wow, we're having a bit of a duel with Mako. That's fun. Here we go. Seth. Here we go. Whoa! Yeah! Here you go, Seth. Last one.
Okay.
Whoa, yeah! It is great.
Not that bad of a
No, I haven't moved smooth right for the most.
I got a couple of things, but not bad.
Oh shoot. That's still good though. Alrighty, up next, Icebreaker. Seth, first time you're gonna be using these type of trains with the new Premier ones.
Yep.
Ready to go on this one?
Go, do it.
Yeah.
Also, we missed out. I did Kraken. Kraken was
Yes.
good.
Row 7.
Row 7, first
And,
English coaster.
and 7 inversion ride too. He's growing, man. I'm telling you, I can't wait. Nice ride. Okay, here we are.
Icebreaker, baby.
Icebreaker, man. This should be good. It is also extremely sunny out
It
here.
is very sunny.
Here comes the cool part. We're doing the transfer track right here.
Fly to the right. Hey Dylan,
Hey, Seth.
it's Guardians.
Yeah,
I
right.
think we just jumped back.
All the way back. Couldn't have timed that any
I
better.
know, right? I planned that.
Woo! Here we go, picture. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's on the rate for that. What'd you think?
Perfect.
Oh man.
Perfect airtime.
Yeah, this ride's good for airtime, underrated. Train suck though. That's only the outside. Yeah, I just can't get out with all this legroom here. Alrighty, here for our final roller coaster here, we have Pipeline the Surf Coaster. Probably the most unique one you're gonna do in this part of the trip.
Ready to hang 10?
Yeah, basically the motion of surfing while standing and bouncing up and down.
Yep.
So it should be a lot of fun.
Walk after this.
Oh yeah. So let's hang 10 there. All right, Pipeline. Seth is gonna be the honorary rider camp for this one, and we got friends doing his thing as well. Any last words on this one?
I've never surfed in my life.
Technically, neither have I. Here we go. Here we go. How was it?
Awesome. That is so cool.
Very unique, but very fun, huh?
I like that.
I'm telling you.
So I rattle.
A little bit. It's still good, though.
I like that a lot.
Okay, so we just got off Pipeline, the surf coaster. Let me just say, first off, great ride. We rode in row 3.
It was awesome. I didn't. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't.
Yeah, right. I know you didn't. You were sitting in the corner there. Lynn, you did row 3. Enjoyed your ride. I know always you finished the water, but
Yeah.
you know it's a small rattle, but good though.
Of course I did.
Seth, come on over here. There you
I
are.
saw Seth's mouth open.
You enjoyed the ride. I could tell.
Fantastic.
As soon as it took off, I saw Seth's mouth open. Oh!
I gotta say, most unique ride you've ever done?
It is. It definitely is.
Oh man.
The airtime is fun. I was going to be very curious about 2 things. One, how it was going to feel standing up, but also how it was going to feel getting off, because a lot of people were going, I'm weak in the knees. I'm like, am I going to get weak?
Yeah, ironic enough, the riders before us had that issue, which was absolutely hilarious. The sad part though, it is running one train, so it did jump up to 30
But
minutes.
it's also only like a 1.5 minute ride.
Yeah. it's
Yeah.
not very long.
And at least we weren't stacked over by that waiting area.
No.
Where there's no shade.
And we have had that happen before, me and Lynn. It's a pain to
not
deal
fun.
with. No. So I gotta ask you, Seth, what was your favorite part of Pipeline?
Favorite part?
Yeah.
The part where the big hand comes up and hits you in the face.
I don't know if I necessarily have a favorite part. I'm actually going to tell you, the place where I got the most airtime was closer towards the end, like that one...
Oh, that
Where you lift
crisscross.
like the next to last
Where
dip.
you lift it up off.
Yeah, the next to last dip. It was a little more abrupt than the other one, so I
Yeah.
woo!
So, and I'll tell you this real quick. Now, if you are on the shorter end, obviously you get more airtime than
There
Lynn.
was a girl that was probably like minimum height. Poor thing was on her tippy toes when she was in.
Yeah.
And
She was
she might
getting...
have been flying.
Oh, she...
She's
I
fine.
believe I can fly. That's what I could feel in the background there.
All right, focus.
But what a ride that was, man. So I have to ask you this stuff now that we've done pretty much the main coasters that you have to do here. What's your favorite coaster here?
And your least favorite coaster.
Mako's favorite. I'm going to put this one 2, Icebreaker 3, Kraken 4.
Penguin Trek 5.
Penguin Trek is a 6.
Yeah, the problem, I cannot believe that Mako is older than Penguin Trek and it's smoother. Penguin Trek was the, I don't know.
was it
had-
Brand new?
Was it
had a-
bumpy?
Yeah, like several spots. It was,
No, like you could feel the vibration
yeah,
kicking in.
it was vibrating. Like,
Does
it's like the newest coaster.
Does
It
feeling the
should- it should
vibration
be the
scare you?
smoothest.
Yeah, Phoenix Rising has a little bit too, and Bush.
I wasn't scared of the
I can't
vibration. It's
imagine.
annoying.
Yeah.
I'd rather it be smooth.
The Bull's Revenge is
I
gonna
think
be.
I know, especially in 2 months after it opens. Not good.
Honestly, that was fun.
I know, but I'm glad you got to ride this stuff. Like
Yeah.
at SeaWorld, other than Mako, this is the one I was hoping you were gonna ride, and you did.
Yep.
I'm happy. Well, other than Icebreaker because of the whole like renovation they were doing. But I'm so happy I got to ride this.
Yeah,
I think
So-
it was so funny that we saw you guys on there from where we were sitting on Icebreaker, because I was like, there's only one really tall guy that I could see just with his arms up.
Yeah, gee, I wonder who that is here.
Obviously.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, obviously, Seth.
But
Yeah.
that'll do it for us at SeaWorld Orlando. We're gonna head out and exit the park here. Alrighty, that is gonna do it here at SeaWorld Orlando. What a fun, quick little trip that we had out here, but a lot of fun. Michael, your first time in so many years.
No, I didn't do much. It was still really nice.
Yeah, it was good to at least get to check out some stuff though. And shame Jerry Lance wasn't open, but you know, it is what it is. Lynn, this is your first time here in like what? Quite some time.
December.
Yeah, December. And then like before that was like a
And then
long longer.
I'm saying bye-bye to my pass.
Yeah. For now.
Yeah.
It's got 2.
Maybe I'll renew it when I move to Florida, but who knows if I'll
Yeah,
make
we'll
it.
see.
Has the one longer one I thought.
Seth, Josie, you guys first visit SeaWorld. What'd you guys think?
I enjoyed it.
Dylan, tell us.
It's good.
Definitely
Journey to Atlantis only has that one big drop, and then the rest is just kind of minimal, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Fortunately, it's a small enough park that we were able to, fit everything
Exactly.
in a short
No long
amount of
wait
time.
times either.
No, for the most part. I mean, only
Even with
downside,
the kids, but
Yeah.
that,
only downside, one train operations for most of the rides. That sucked.
Yeah.
it's because of the crowd level.
Yeah, you do what you gotta do though, and you just gotta, go as planned. But I do want to say first off, I want to thank Michael, Seth, and Joseph on coming with us on the trip and not only doing some rides and all and checking out some stuff, but see what we all do and all that.
Yep.
So,
Gets me out of the house.
exactly.
Get away from the snow.
Yep.
So,
Makes me out of work for me.
personally, I just want to say this real quick. Now Seth,
Yeah.
you're going to be going to some racing coming up here.
Yep.
So you're on to
Let's-
Daytona,
we're
Such a
going to-
Seth.
and
we're
then
going to
you're going to be doing, Indiana coming up in May.
Got Indiana Beach coming up in May, also Holiday World, and I'm hoping to get back to Hershey Park in the fall along with Canopus.
Yeah, exactly. you do go to Knoebels, I would be jealous because that place looks really cool.
Yeah.
So, I'm telling you, I may join him along for the Holiday World portion because who knows what'll happen from there. But hey,
We're
man.
kind of narrowed eyes on March right now.
I know, because a certain park that's actually not too far.
I'm actually going down there twice. I'll be being with my sister. We're gonna see All Time Low for Mardi Gras, which won't feature on the channel, but
yeah,
it's a sister date.
We'll see though. So hopefully I will see you in May.
Voyage is calling.
I know, I'm saying
Voyage is calling.
And I'll be seeing you in March, and then you too, whenever next time, right? Exactly. So from all of us here at SeaWorld Orlando, my name is Dylan. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys later until the next video, and hopefully it won't be too sunny that's out here because I can tell the sun is beaming in heavier. We'll see you guys later until the next video. Until then, goodbye everybody. Say goodbye everyone.
Bye everyone.